Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to steady shaky hands quickly, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have shaky hands, okay, if your hands right now are shaky, or if you know that they might be shaky in another scenario and you want to learn how to steady them, or even if your hands are not shaky and they have never been shaky before but you're worried that they might be shaky and you want to learn how to steady them, or even if you just want to learn this just for fun and you have no reason to want to learn it but you just want to learn it just for fun, I'm going to tell you a few simple things that you can do to steady your shaky hands in a quick manner. Hopefully these things work. Give them a try. They can be really effective, but you have to try them out. You have to put forth the effort, and hopefully they will work for you. Starting off with the first thing, I didn't number them. I have some notes over here that I wrote down. I didn't number them, but we'll just sort of call them like the first, the second, and so on and so forth. So starting off with the first thing. The first thing is take deep breaths, focusing on the exhale. Okay, so you got to take deep breaths and you're going to focus on the exhale, and I'll explain each thing after. The second thing is relax your arm and hand muscles. And the third thing is focus on something other than your hands. Those are the three things you got to do. Now let me explain how you can utilize them and why they work. So we're going to start off with take deep breaths, focusing on the exhale. Okay, when you take deep breaths, you are sort of taking your nervous system and you're calming it down. And when you focus on the exhale, that is releasing the tension in your body. So take some deep breaths. They don't have to be like the deepest breaths that you can take. No, just pretty deep breaths. So just take breaths that are deeper than usual for you and focus on the exhale. When you go to the exhale, focus on it. Do that nice and slowly and bring your mental focus to that moment. You're going to start to release that tension. Excuse me. And if your shaky hands are caused because of potentially nervousness, you're going to start to release those nerves. Okay? That's why that should hopefully help. Excuse me again. I'm sorry. I burped a couple times. I do apologize. I might burp a couple more times. It's early in the morning, early-ish in the morning, and I have my coffee over here and, just drinking coffee, and I burp a little bit. So I'm sorry. I burped at least once. I think I did a second time. But anyways, excuse me for however many burps I did. And now that I excuse myself, we are moving on. Okay? I got to be polite, Anyways, the next thing we're going to talk about is relaxing your arm and hand muscles. Now, a lot of people, when they have shaky hands, it's because they're very, very tense, right? Relax those arm and hand muscles. You can hold your hand up to look at it for a moment, okay? Don't stare at it. Don't focus on it. But you can look at it for a moment while still relaxing your arm and hand muscles, because they're not going to be tense. Like you're holding your hand up and you're using your arm and your hand muscles with enough, just barely enough muscular force to hold your hand up to look at it for a moment. But you're not holding it tense. Right? We're not being tense with it. We're just holding it up. Okay? So relax those muscles. And if your arms and hands are down, completely relax those muscles. Just let your arms and hands hang down and completely relax those muscles. You're going to take away the tension and the pressure from your hand, which will hopefully steady it a little bit. The last thing is focus on something other than your hands. If you are staring at your hands and you see them shake, that's going to make you more nervous, which is going to make them potentially shake even more. So you don't want that to happen. So focus on something other than your hands. You can look at your hand to see that, whether or not it's shaking, but once you've looked at it for a moment, get it out of your viewpoint, focus on something else. Okay? And try and focus on something that's not making you nervous. If your hands are shaking because you're nervous, then try and focus on something that's not making you nervous. So don't focus on, let's say you're doing a public speaking engagement and you're nervous because of that. Don't focus on the crowd, because then you're going to be more nervous. Focus on something else. Focus on something in the corner of the room. Whatever the case is. Focus on yourself. Focus on anything else. Okay? That will take away from the nerves. So bring your focus away from your hands. You can look at your hands quickly to see what's happening with them, but then bring your focus away from your hands and, and focus on something other than your hands in terms of the majority of your focus. Okay? And that's it. Hopefully it works for you. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.